In this video we're going to learn how to integrate fractions when we have more than one term on the numerator and just a single term on the denominator. When we're integrating fractions, there are four simple steps to go through when we're dealing with ones where we have a single term on the denominator. The first thing we do is we write each part of the numerator over the denominator because it's like a common denominator. We then simplify each fraction if required. We then integrate each part separately. Now we could say we're finished there, and we could write each of those with their own integral sign, or we can write it all together. The most important thing is we only have one constant of integration. So let's have an example. So here we've got an integral. We have two terms on the numerator and a single term on the denominator. So the first thing is we split this up so that we have each of the numerator terms over the x cubed. So because it's a single common denominator there, you can see that we can join these together to make the thing that we've got above. Now let's remember that root x is the same as x to the half, so that we can simplify this to be 3 over x, and I've left it over x because this is going to be a log answer, and plus x to the minus 5 over 2. So remember, if we differentiate x we get 1, well we've got 3 times that, so that one's going to be 3 log x. And then we've got the x to the minus 5 over 2. Well, we add 1 to the power, so adding 1 to 5 over 2 to minus 5 over 2 makes minus 3 over 2. And dividing by minus 3 over 2 is the same as multiplying by 2 over 3. So that gives us what we've got here, apart from we do have to add on that constant of integration. In the description below you can find a link to a worksheet that has questions that you can try on your own. I hope you found this video helpful. Staying in field with Winfield.